Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a medium storage bag. This is from a brand called TELESIN, which is widely available on Amazon and from their own website. And it was sent to us by the TELESIN team for review purposes. So just to make it clear, this is a review sample provided by TELESIN. So, packaging. Very much like the rest of TELESIN accessories that I've been reviewing over the years. It has some clear identity with its blue and white packaging. It isn't that sort of cheapo generic stuff that you see from other brands. And I'm going to take the little blue tab off the top of the box and let's see what's inside. Cool. Okay, so inside the box, nothing else, just the case. I'll put the box aside, it is recyclable. And in here we have a light plastic bag that has the case itself. And you can already see why I'm saying ooh. So this is a TELESIN storage bag for action cameras and accessories. And you can see that it has the TELESIN motto along the edges, back to enjoyable. And this is a water-resistant zip that is covered up by that motto. And on the inside we have accessories for, space for accessories for TELESIN devices and your action camera. On the inside there's also a few things, including a little wrist strap. So this is so that you can have that around your belt as a holster, or to have it around your wrist so that you don't lose it. And you also have little tag on that. So bonus little tag, and the usual aromatic. So this is your essentially desiccant to keep it dry and not damp. And then there is also one more little thing here, little guide instruction manual. There's nothing really there. A little bit of documentation in the bottom. So there's the box. Now what I'm going to do is go and get my action cameras and we'll see what goes in here. Okay then, so I'm going to be using this TELESIN bag, this action camera bag, specifically with my DJI Osmo Action 6. And as you can see, I actually have this in nice metal casing for the DJI Osmo Action 6 from TELESIN. This was also a review device. And I'll be doing a dedicated review of this from our next trip to Japan, which is just coming up. Now, with the case on, that doesn't fit in this TELESIN case. So you do need to take the camera out of the cage to get it in its space. And I don't know if this goes in the bottom, probably in the bottom. It's a soft, felty-like finished divider that essentially keeps the screen protected. Or I can put it on top to keep the camera lens protected. But for now I'll just put it in the bottom and put the camera there. Now you'll see there's also some extra slots here. These are, I'm assuming, for things such as batteries. Now I do have spare batteries for my DJI Osmo Action 6 and they fit perfectly. So you see that just slots in. And then I have another accessory. Again, this is from TELESIN. This is a review device which we'll be reviewing and providing you with sample content from. This is the action camera filters from TELESIN. Whoops, Ginger Cat's getting involved again. And in here you have essentially camera filters that go on the camera lens. And let me get these out. Whoops. And these pop in here. So you'll see that I can organize them and make sure that the lenses have their appropriate labels facing me so I can actually read them and pop them in like this. So these are ND filters. As I said, we'll do a separate video about how these work and what benefits they bring you in the DJI Osmo Action 6. So I'm really quite happy with this. So the case obviously takes everything. There's also space here. I'm going to put my USB-C cable in the top. So it's a very capable little case that does what you need to keep your camera safe whilst traveling. And then when you close it, again, that zip, I'm going to take the plastic cover off here and cover off here. So this is not entirely dissimilar to the smaller case that we've already reviewed here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. Check out that video if you haven't already. And I'm really happy with it. It's the same type of zip as on the smaller case. It is a little less in your face orange, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but it's nice and bright and you can see it in your bag when you're looking through it for stuff. So yeah, I'm really quite happy with this. Water resistant case for your action camera with nice solid zips, and which takes not just your action camera in this case, the lenses, which I'll do a separate video on, spare batteries and more. So thanks to TELESIN for sending us this review device. It is a thumbs up from me. I will link in the description where you too can buy the TELESIN back to enjoyable medium case for action camera and accessories. And if you have any questions, if you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. And as usual, likes are always appreciated, and so are subscriptions. Tech Travel Geeks covers consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, anything we think makes the travel experience better. We also have the inclusion of this lovely little ginger baby. He's called Ronan. He's likes the orange accessories, obviously, because this is the second time I've been reviewing a TELESIN case, and my ginger cat has decided to be part of the video. You're lovely, Ronan. Anyway, if you'd like to pay Ronan a compliment, again, comment section is available below. I'm sure he'll get back to you from his own personal YouTube account. But yeah, thanks for watching if you made it this far, and if you have any more questions about the TELESIN medium case for action cameras and accessories, do let us know. Thanks for watching, and goodbye from me. And obviously, goodbye from the little ginger baby. Bye!